Charlie Henry 6876. Reverse lights. Come here.
Hey, radio standby.
You went left on Dodson? 2619 Dodson. 2619 Dodson. Fleeing.
Alright, we're southbound. Stand by for a second.
Say you're southbound Federal. Radio attempted pit. We're still southbound. We're going to be in front of the Georgia International Convention Center. Show them name. 16 alcohol. 16 alcohol. Show them name.
Front of the convention center on Main.
16 alcohol. 16 alcohol.
Front of the convention center on Main.
16 alcohol. 16 alcohol. What? Hello. Stand by.
Fuck.
Do not rush it.
Do not rush it. Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now!
Where you got him? Hey, get the fuck out! Get the fuck out!
How old are you? 30? 34? You
34.
Yes.
Okay.
Out here running from the police at 34 years old.
You said
Love
what?
it.